Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to delegate on Nillion. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Firstly, we'll be talking about how you can delegate on Nillion. Let's open our browser. Just head to testnet.ping.pub.nillion. See it up, just click on it. You need to connect your KEPLR wallet, the extension you installed. You need to connect it. Just click on the wallet icon at the top. Then you see connect wallet, click on it. I have KEPLR extension on my browser. Just click on connect. So just input your password, then click unlock. So when you click on the wallet icon, you find out that your wallet is connected already. Now let's scroll down. You find delegate at the bottom. Click on delegate. You can see your balance on that 0.013 million. You choose a validator, anyone you want to use. You can choose anyone. Then the amount you want to stake. Then you click on send. You need to approve on your wallet. Approve. So you've delegated. You can delegate with different validators. As you can see, you can redelegate. You can still delegate again by clicking on delegate. You choose a validator and choose the amount you want to delegate. So guys, that's all about the Nillion for now. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.